Cubs, you are worthy of what you become. It may be difficult to make those decisions. It may be tough choices that you have to make. We all succeed. We all fail. And it's all by what we do. There's no mysterious outside force that controls how we do things. Fate doesn't exist the way that people want it to. Religion doesn't exist the way that people want it to. The only way to proceed in your life is by learning and doing. I don't know if I can make it any plainer. But it looks like you Cubs are dozing off. So I just want you to remember this. It's your life. Choices will need to be made. Make sure that they're your choices. Sure, you can listen to other people's guidance, you can listen to your parents' guidance, you can listen to the religious advice, or you can listen to me and take everything with a grain of salt. Because in the end, it's always going to be your decision that affects how things go. And I'm not saying it'll always be for the better. A lot of times it could be for the worse. But even when it's for the worse, you can still learn from it. Go out there and live your lives. Things will always seem unfair for one reason or another. Things are unfair for one reason or another. That's just how life is, Cubs. But as it is, I want you to go to sleep, dream your dreams, live your lives, follow your dreams if you can. Everything that you do affects your tomorrow. But don't forget, everything that you do also affects everyone around you. So do your best, not just for you, do your best for everyone that you influence. That's why I'm here with you, Cubs. I want you to do your best. And that's for me. If you Cubs succeed, I'll feel better. Really. Just me feeling better would be a considerable achievement. I want you to do the best for you. And knowing that you've succeeded will make me feel better. I like seeing people succeed. I want you to succeed. I hope and pray and dream that all of you succeed. I want you to hope and dream and pray and succeed. But, Cubs, you're in bed now, so what I really want you to do is pray, hope, dream, and go the fuck to sleep. Okay?